Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can master the Ken Burns effect on CapCut PC. I think that's what it's called, but it's actually super simple. Anyone can do this. So you are going to select a video. You can select any video that you want. I'm just going to load this video maybe. So select your video and add a keyframe here, and you're just going to go in the middle or at the end, and you're going to want to zoom in. Then you're going to also move the position so you'll see the focus point here. And that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!